Photocopyer and electric flux. Selenium is a photoconductor. The word xerography means dry writing. Photocopyer and inject printer is the application of electrostatic. The SI unit of electric flux is Newton meters square per coulombs. The net flux through a closed surface depend on both B and C. The flux equation pi is equal to E dot A is only applicable to a surface. Flat surface. The electric intensity inside a hollow sphere is zero. A charge conducting body has charge on its outer surface. A charge is placed on the corner of cube. The flux inside the cube will be one over 8 time of total flux. A mass carrying charge of 2 electron passing through potential difference of 3 volt. The energy acquired by it will be three electron volt. Two charges have same magnitude separated by distance. The electric potential at midpoint as potential is equal to 0. The quantity the change in potential with respect to displacement is called potential gradient. The work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point in electric field is called absolute potential energy. The electron volt is the unit of electrical energy. 1 joule is equal to 6.25 times 10 power minus 18 electron volt. Thank you for watching. Learning Physics and MCQ.